They're all different examples of transaction systems. Now, but you cannot do analysis using OLTP. Day-to-day operations you can perform very easily. Ease of understanding, ease of use, ease of booking the ticket, everything is simplified. But analysis is how do you do? So in order to understand these things, here I'm comparing how warehouses are different from transaction systems. Warehouses are organized on a single subject, whereas databases or transaction systems are organized by transactions, right? Then number of users are very, very large in transaction systems, whereas less number of users in the warehousing system. In the sense that if you have thousands of users in transaction processing, thousands of people are booking railway tickets, but less number of users are going to build a data warehouse and then do the analysis. Then accessing few records is done in the transaction system, but for analysis, entire structure of the database is used. That's why it is a full-fledged access. Then the transaction systems are data size-wise, they are small in nature, whereas warehouses are large, voluminous databases. And data structure, database schema, everything is normalized here, but whereas in the data warehousing, it is unnormalized. Normalized means to overcome the redundancy in the data and to overcome the issues or anomalies on the manipulation operations, we keep the data structure as much normalized as possible. But whereas in the warehousing, that is not important. It is highly unnormalized. So whereas it is a highly normalized in the case of transaction system. Then updates are very day-to-day operations. Whenever you do, continuously database gets updated. But whereas warehouse will never update it whenever you do the analysis. Once in a year or over a period of time, it gets updated. That's a bulk update. Then already I explained this, so I'm skipping. So therefore, in order to do all these things, a blend of hardware, software, and some kind of knowledge, business knowledge and understanding is required, system integration skills are required, and ultimately, when the size is unmanageable, you have to do in an incremental manner, all these things. So if you observe this structure, a data warehouse is built from different production databases by doing a lot of processing in the middle. That middle processing area is known as staging area. Staging area is nothing but your workspace, your cleaning area, right? And then and then users are, instead of directly interacting the users to the production databases, they directly take the data from the repository to perform the